Hey everyone, welcome to the Choose Reward system. In this tutorial, I will explain how to use this asset and how easily you can have a Choose Reward system implemented, like the ones you see in most modern roguelites, in just a few steps. First, let me explain my screen. I am in the project's demo scene. And as you can see, I have three vertical items with different colors, and a reroll button at the bottom. Each of these three items will be our rewards. They will have a title, a rarity, and a background color, as well as a description. And at the bottom of each item, there is a Choose button. In the project view, you can see they are all prefabs. They do all have a script called RewardItem, which I just created for this demo to set the UI preference in it, like the title text, rarity text, and so on. Before starting, let's remove the items in the scene. Now, our first goal is to have a reward system where every time I hit the reroll button, 3 random rewards will spawn in the screen, all with the respective information. So, let's get started. The first step is to create our reward types, which in our case are the different rarities that we want to have. We want common, rare, and epic reward types. To do this, create a new script. I will call it custom reward type. Extend from reward type SO and add the create asset menu attribute. Then set a rarity name and a reward item public properties. Then create your reward types using the asset menu. I will create one for the common reward type and I will set its attributes accordingly. Then I will create one more for the rare reward type and another one for the epic reward type. It is very important to always set a unique value to the ID field, and it should not be empty. For the second step, we need to create the rewards. For this, create another script. I will call it my custom reward. Now, in the script, extend from reward SO. Then add the create asset menu attribute as you did before. And include two public properties. One will be the rewards title and the other one the rewards description. Then create as many rewards as you want using the asset menu, like you did with the reward types. Again, since the IDs are important, don't forget to set a unique value on them. You might notice that there are two additional attributes in your reward, a boolean called repeatable and a list called conditions. Don't worry, I will explain them later. The third step is to create the rewards database. To do this, we just need to open the Assets menu, and then go to Anawim Studios, Rewards, Rewards Database. Here we can assign which are the rewards that belong to each reward type, and the probability of those reward types to appear. I will set up the common reward type to appear with a chance of 70%. Then we just need to all the rewards that falls in the common category. Now, the rare reward type will have a chance of 20%, and the epic reward type will have a chance of 10%. With this, we now have our database well defined. After that, the next step is to create a game object and assign the reward manager to it. Then we just need to assign the rewards database to the reward manager. In the Reward Manager, there are various parameters that we can use to configure the system's behavior, but I will explain them later on. Now, we are almost done. The last step is to make our reroll button spawn the rewards when clicking on it. For this, we will attach a script to our horizontal container called rewards spawner. We will edit it, and then we will add a reward manager property and a public onRerollClick method. In our onRerollClick method, we will destroy all the children objects to clear the previous items. And then we will call RewardManager.calculateRewards. This method gives us a list of rewards, which we will use to instantiate the reward items. After that, we set the reward in the reward item. And then we add an onClick action in the item that we'll call RewardManager.onRewardChosen. In the reward item, we have added a reward property and an onChooseClick event that will be called when clicking in the Choose button. The setReward method only sets the rewards values in the title, description, and the rarity text. Now we only need to attach the reward manager to our script, and we are ready to play test. As you can see, the reward system is now working and giving us rewards based on their rarity. Another thing to mention is that if I choose a reward, it will not appear anymore in the results. This behavior is customizable. Alright, now you have reached the end of the video. But wait, I didn't explain yet the reward manager settings and the rewards built-in properties like repetition and conditions. Don't worry, I didn't forget them. However, I decided to make a second video to talk exclusively about them, as they cover more specific scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or find an issue, feel free to contact us or leave a comment. And if you like the asset, please leave a review in the asset store. It will greatly help us to keep improving and creating amazing tools.